If you missed it, make sure you go back to the last, I think it's 3 to 5 videos that I had just made, because I'm explaining a sales funnel to you and how you can start a business around whatever you're passionate about. So remember what I said earlier, you need one product, you need a sales funnel, an email campaign, and you need to drive traffic to that product. So let's talk about how you're gonna drive traffic to that product or your sales funnel where somebody can go through and purchase your product. Remember this? Here is inside of my sales funnel. You have your opt-in page, your sales page, your order form, and your thank you page. Now, how are you going to get traffic to this opt-in page? Well, you have multiple choices. You're going to do short form content as one way. You can use any social media platform. You can use Facebook, you can use TikTok, you can use IG, or you can use YouTube. I'm going to show you exactly what I do to drive traffic to my sales funnel. I use TikTok, so here are all my videos. I post 3 videos a day. I post one in the morning, one mid-afternoon, and one of the evening. This is where a lot of people get hung up. Guys, don't overthink it. That's all I do is I just take videos, short videos, 5 seconds, 7 seconds, 10 seconds. Sometimes I talk and I do longer videos, but I just share my journey and I try to teach and educate and share value in my videos. Now, when somebody becomes interested in something that I'm doing or a product that I have, I'm going to show you where they need to go. Now, over time, I've built my following to 1,000 followers. You do need 1,000 followers to add a link in your bio. Here you can see I have my Stan Store in my TikTok. I have my Stan Store in my bio, so when somebody clicks on my Stan Store, it takes them over to all of my offers. These are all of my products that I market. So if somebody is interested, that's all they have to do is click on one of these buttons and then they go through my sales funnel. And that is the entire process. So make sure you save this video so you can come back to it. And don't forget to check out the other videos that show you exactly what a sales funnel is and the exact steps on how you can get started building a business online so you can quit your 9 to 5.